All right, it's our second morning here at Spruce Mountain. Got my bear yesterday. Nick from Massachusetts, one of the guide's sons. They're going after a bear today. He killed a bear here with Steve and Brenda 16 years ago, I guess. Back again, give it another shot. A little frost on the pumpkin today, but ought to be a good day to kill a bear. So we're at a spot that had a bear on it at 4 o'clock this morning. Took the dogs in, they hit that trail. Let out some more dogs, so I guess maybe the chase is on. I don't know.
I don't know if I can get to him, put Christy on. What do you think, Danny?
That good bear right there.
We got him.
First one in 15 years, I'll tell you that.
Good